Alright, next let's make this carpet together. As for my habit, I usually prefer to stitch horizontally, and I complete the carpet from that horizontal direction. First, we need to fold the yarn in half and then thread the crochet hook through it. Then find the horizontal line. It fits in okay, but here we can't close it up. We need to pull the yarn to this point and then pull it out. This way, we've completed one stitch. We just need to follow this method to finish making the entire carpet. So just follow along with me, slowly. You only need half an hour to quickly master this technique. It's the perfect project for us craft enthusiasts. Okay, pull it out. Fold it in half. This needs to be opened. Go in! Just pull it tight when it comes out. Now, when we encounter different colors, like here we have white and green, what should we do? Let's take a look at this paper. Our instruction manual is very detailed. For example, if it says GG, what color is that? It's number 46. Each yarn has a label with a number on it, so there's no need to worry about how to distinguish the colors, okay? Let's get started. Go in. Come out. Yes.
Ensuring that the line is properly secured is a straightforward process, but it is crucial to pay attention to the details. You need to make sure that the line is tightened adequately. If it is not tightened properly, there is a high risk that it will become loose and fall out easily. This could lead to potential issues or failures in the system you are working with. Therefore, take the time to double check and confirm that the line is secure. This simple step can prevent unnecessary complications and ensure everything functions smoothly.
Alright, let's say we've already finished making our piece, right? So what should we do next to make it look even more perfect and beautiful, just the way we want it? Well, first, we need to take the carpet outside. Try not to do this indoors if possible, and give it a really good shake, just like this. When we shake it, the differences in length will become very obvious. All the uneven lengths will be revealed, and then, after that, we can use regular household scissors or even craft scissors to carefully trim it all neatly. Do you understand? But for this step, we really need to do it outdoors, in an open area, okay? Just to be safe and keep things tidy. Do it outdoors. Yes, you have to wear a mask. You must wear a mask because there's a lot of hair on the yarn. Be sure to wear your mask properly. Alright, thank you for watching. If you feel that there are details in this video that weren't explained clearly, please leave us a comment and we will improve, okay? Thank you. Bye bye.